Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hossain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you in my classes. So, last few classes we have started from arithmetic data and informations. So, my dear students, we are going to start our class formally. Firstly, you can see here top line of the board, right side, left side, sound quality, board diagram, lighting. Is it everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Please do comments in the comment section, and you can also give your attendance here. Kamar Nahallaki sir, everything okay? You can start your class. Thank you sir. Already you said everything okay. We are going to start our class. The class schedule was in our honorable chairman sir, but due to his busyness, I am conducting his class. So I think inshallah we are going to start our class. I think inshallah we will complete these topics today. In the last two classes we have discussed the difference in between data and information. In the first class we have briefly discussed what is data and what is information, the difference in between them, where we can apply these statistical data and informations in our real life. In the last two classes already we have done the mathematical part, which is arithmetic mean by using formula number of data divided by sum of the data divided by number of data, which is equal to arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means one kind of average. On class 1 to class 4 and 5, almost you know how to find the average, like the sum of the 5 numbers divided by 5. That is the average mark or average accounting number. So this average basically converted here is arithmetic mean. So as far as your class standard, we used here a formula which is arithmetic means basically the sum of all data divided by number of data. In today's class, we will show how to find median and mode. Then after completing these two topics, we will start here how to find the graphical presentation of data and information. So my dear students, this is the one of the most important topics here, the median. Because median, there are two different formula. When the given data is even number or given data is odd number, then how we can find the arithmetic median? So two different formula you have to use, and this completely depend on the given information. Okay, let's come to our academic content. So this academic content basically, now we will discuss question number 17 here. So first of all, you see here the data and the processing different types of data. Basically we get here informations. So information is the processing data. If the input device is wrong, input number is wrong, your finally information or output will be wrong. So you should be more careful in placing or in giving the input data or numerical number. So already we have discussed these topics in our previous class. Now come back to the points. We are doing here question number 17. And the 16 number questions I have given you as a homework. I think maximum students have done this one correctly. Now give attention to the question number 17. Find the mean of the following data. Find the median of the following data. Find the median of the following data. So data given here, number 17. 9, 12, 10. 9, 12, 10. 6, 15, 8. 6, 15, 8. Then 7, 14 and 13. 7, 14 and 13. So, dear students, find the median of the following data. So basically now we will find here median. You see here there are two different formula for median, and this is one formula and this is another formula. How we apply these two formula here? First of all, firstly you can see here this given information or given data 9, 12, 10, 6, 15, 8, 7, 14, 13. This is not, these data are not arranged in ascending or descending order. First of all, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Now, write down the answer here. Answer. Arranging above data in ascending order, we get. So what is ascending order? Already last class we said ascending order means smallest number to large number. This is called the ascending order. And the descending order means downward, the largest number to smallest number. So now arranging the above data in ascending order, we get. So in ascending order, which one is the smallest number? The smallest number is 6. We see here 6, then 7, then we see here 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. There is no 11, 12, 11 is missing, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 13, 14 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in ascending order, after arranging the data in ascending order, how many number of data are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we applied here odd number formula and even number formula. While the given data will be even number, the formula little bit large. While the given data is odd number, then we will apply this formula. While the number given data is odd number, so total input number is 9. So we can write here, number of data equal 9, which is odd number. So number of data is 9, which is odd number. So median will be, now we will apply here formula, then median equal, what is the formula for median? While the given data is odd number, the median formula is number of data plus 1. Number of data plus 1, so you can write here number of data plus 1 divided by 2, and this is the TH. TH means third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight. So this th term. Median equal to number of data plus 1 divided by 2. Th is the power, not with this line. Th term. So now give attention here. This is the part for formula. Okay. Now number of data. Number of data equal 9. 9 plus, this is the 1. 9 plus 1 divided by 2. Then this is the th term. So my dear student, 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 divided by 2. This is the fifth term. So now in maximum time we see in the example, unfortunately student just give answer here. This is not answer. This indicate you fifth term, not 5 is answer. In some case we see in the example, student write here the 5 is answer. Basically this is not the indicate you, this one is not answer. This fifth term indicate you in ascending order, the fifth number, in the fifth position number will be answer. First position number 6, second position number 7, then third position 8, fourth position 9, and fifth position number is 10, which is called fifth term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So fifth term number is 10. This one will be our answer. My dear students, so give attention here. The question number 17. Find the median of the following numbers. I think this is clear to all of you. Just using the median formula for odd number, finally we get here 10 is our result. So I think is it clear to you? If you have any questions, please do comments. I will review your comments now, then I will answer as far as your demand. My dear students, please do comments. Is it clear to you or not? The question number 17, find the median. Which answer is 10? Yes sir, already we are trying to write answer. The question number 17, the required answer, the required median is 10. The question number 19 is also same, so you can write here 19. I think sir, I think maximum student you are writing sir, absolutely right, is clear to me, to us. Thank you sir. Only Hafizul Haq said sir, I did not understand. Okay my dear students, too much easy. Just you have to know what is the formula of median. So median formula basically depend on the number of data. You have to give attention in number of data. Is it even number or odd number? The given information here, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of data is 9, which is odd number. Now we will apply here formula of median, which is number of data plus 1 divided by 2. This is the basically formula. How many data given here? This is the 9. You can apply here 1 as a median, that is divided by 2, fifth term equals to 10. Let me explain properly actually what is median. Median basically divide into two group. Like I see here, this one is a 3, one number. We can write here one number is 3, another number is 5, and another number is 4. Which one is the middle number here? If we call you the middle number without arranging, this one will be 5. But if I call you which one is median, and you have to arrange this data in ascending order, then middle one will be the median. Without arranging in ascending order, you cannot find the median. So median basically the middle one. You can also see median in geometry part like this one. When you find the midpoint of this line, this is the midpoint of this line, then if you add this one, this is called the median in geometry. And if you draw another figure like this, and this is the midpoint, like this is the 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So this one will be median. This is called median. This is median. So in geometry also we can apply here median, which divide opposite side into two parts. Here also we see here the mid number divide into two equal part. This is called the middle one. From the right side you will get same numbers, and left side you also get here the same number of terms. Like this one, another more example here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is the median? And these all are in ascending order. That's why this one is the median. And if you consider this one is median, and this is the right side, you see here two data. In the left side you see here two data. That's why median basically divide number of data into two equal parts. But now give attention to the next one. I think it's clear to all of you. We will practice another one. Okay, let's practice another one. Question number 18. My dear students, give attention to the question number 18. Find the median of the following data. Find the median of the following data, which are given here. Number 18, 1400, 2500, 1500. 1400, 2500 and 1500. 700, 600, 900. 700, 600 and 900. 700, 600, 900, 1010, 1100, 800. Sorry, 1015, 1100, 1100, 800 and finally 1200. These informations are given here. So question number 18, already one student said the answer will be 1075. Congratulations, Sharmin Akhtar. Already you have done answer. Yes, you are trying to write answer. I think just give attention. In your academic book, they did not apply this formula here. When they see the number of data is even, and directly they are using mathematical term, not using formula as odd number. They are writing here middle one, like, okay, let example here. If we see here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if we see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I asked you which one is median, this is the middle one. But if I asked you here which one is median, which one is median, so there are, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot divide into two equal parts. These two numbers together, they are inside the middle position. And 4 and 5 in the middle position, 6 and 7 the right side, and 2 and 3 in the left side. And in the middle position, we see here two numbers. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of data are even number. Then we see here that together two number in the middle position. But when the given data are in odd number, we see only single one in the middle positions. But how we can find 4 and 5 are a median? So completely it will depends on the formula of even number. Okay, let's review the given example here. First one, answer solution. Arranging the above, this is not arranged in ascending or descending order. So, arranging above number in ascending order, we get ascending. Which one is the smallest number here? 600. I think 600, 600, then 700, 600, 600, 700. Is that 800, 800? There is 900 also. We see here 900. Is there 1000? There is no 1000, but we see here 1010. Sorry, 1050. Then 1100, 1050, 1100, and 1200, 1200. This one, and finally 1400, 1400, and 1500, and finally, oh, this is the 2000, 2500. Is it okay? We are not doing number. The question number 18, 2500, final number 2500. So my dear students, give attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We see here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So absolutely, this unorganized data we organized as ascending order. Now we can write here, number of data, number of data equal 10, which is even. This is the even number. In our previous math, it was odd number. Now here, number of data equal even. Now we will apply the formula here, n equal 10. So we can write a number of data n equal 10. Number of data n equal 10, which is even number. Number of data n equal 10, which is even. Now we will apply the formula of median in even numbers. So median will be median equal, the formula is n by 2 term, n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Okay, let's review again. This formula actually they don't use in your academic book. They directly applied the value here. So without writing the formula, I think it's not look good. You can apply the formula for the even number as like as odd number. So this is the n by 2 term what is the value of n? N means given information which is 10. So n is given information which is 10. 10 divided by 2 term. So we can write here 10 divided by 2 th term plus this is n by 2 plus 1. That means the value of n by 2 plus 1 th term, then finally divided by 2. Finally divided by 2. So what we see here, give example, we see here n 10 by 2. So all of you know 10 divided by 2, fifth term. This one is, we can write here fifth term plus 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Again 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then this one 10 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 10 divided by 2 means 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we can write here 6 term and divided by 2. Again, it's like as previous one, sometimes student do mistake here. My dear student, this is not the exact value 5. This indicate you the fifth term. Sometimes we see in exam hall student use here 5 plus 6, 11 divided by 2. Sir, 5.5 is final answer. No. This indicate you the fifth term, not 5. So fifth term, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This one is 1500, sorry 1050. And then sixth term, 1050 plus 1100 and divided by 2. So what will be answer here? Just do add. So this one will be 0, 0, then 5, 0, 5, then 1, and then 1 plus 1 equals to 2, divided by 2. Now do divide here. You can divide this number. 2 ones are 2, then 1 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 1 5, 1000. So this is 1025. After doing divide, we can review our answer. Is it right or wrong? I think 1150 is there anything wrong? 10,000, 1,000, 1100, fifth term, sixth term. 1050, 1050 plus 1100, that is, it will be 2150. So 2150, if we divide this one, the 2 ones are 2. Sorry, we have done here mistake. This one is 0 and then 7. After 2 using 7 and the 5. Sorry, I have done here mistake. The median is 1075. This is our final answer, my dear students. So give attention here. By using the formula of median, successively we have done this math, which answer is 1075. Answer is 1075 2150. So did I say something wrong? Absolutely, this answer is start with the 75 in 25. Answer is Ethel. Okay, sir, my dear students, I think, is it clear to you? Let me explain again here. I think, okay, my dear student, this math is little bit large here, so it may be difficult for you to understand properly. Okay, let me explain again. We don't need this one. Okay, This is the question number 18, the median of the following numbers. Already we said here, we will apply here two formula, and median formula completely dependent on the number of data. Again, just properly attention to me. Median formula completely dependent on the given number of data. Is it even or odd? When you see here the number is odd, you have to apply this formula. When the given number is even, then you have to apply this formula. In our previous math, question number 17, we have done here by using odd number formula. Now in question number 18, given information or given data are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is even number. That's why 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, these are even number. You have to apply the formula of even number. Before doing this math, you have to arrange this above data in ascending order. Sometimes we see in the exam hall, student just start doing math without arranging data in ascending order. So first attention, you have to arrange above data in ascending order. So now the data in ascending order indicate your smallest number to large number. So now again repeat. This is the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the number of data, we mention how many data here, just mention by n. The number of data equal 10, which is even number. Now you have to apply formula of median for even number. So median equal n by 2, n means number of data, n by 2 term, n, so you can write here properly n, again n by 2 plus 1. Sometimes we see here student write here and they do mistake as like as odd number. In odd number formula we see here n plus 1 divided by 2. Give attention. In the odd number formula we see here n plus 1 divided by 2 th term. But in even number formula, this is not n plus 1. This will be n by 2 and plus 1 here. Please, my dear students, give attention. Sometimes we see students do mistake here. In the formula of odd number, the plus 1 directly with n. This is the numerator part. But in the even number formula, 1 is totally add with n by 2. Here n by 2 plus 1 and here n plus 1 divided by 2. Give attention again. In the odd number, n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the number of data is n, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. But here, this is not n plus 1. This is called n by 2 plus 1. So now, n by 2 term, n by 2 plus 1, not with n. This plus 1 absolutely right side. N by 2 plus 1. So n means this one, n, the value of n is 10. N by 2 means 10 divided 10 term plus 10 by 2 plus 1 term. So 10 divided by 2, which is 5th term, and 10 divided by 2, 5 plus 1 equals 6. This is the 6th term. Now give attention. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is fifth, this is 6. So 5th term value is 1050. 6th term value is 1100 divided by 2. Doing add, then divide, you will get your final answer, which is 1075. This is our final answer. So my dear students, I think this is the median is one of the most important part here, and absolutely you have to answer here the 4 marks question. Arithmetic mean you will get here 4 marks, and median also you will get here 4 marks. So 4 plus 4, and what is the difference in between data and information? these types of question comes usually in 2 marks. So median for even number, median for odd number. There are two different formula and you have to practice, otherwise you cannot memorize properly. So now let me know if you have any question. Please comments. I will review your comments now. Then I will discuss as far as you demand. Is it clear to you? Write yes or done. And if you have any questions, please do comments. Well, already one student said the question number 19 answer will be 16. Absolutely right, Sharmin Akhtar. Thank you. Who I didn't understand what is mode. Oh, mode, actually mode is too much easy. The mode, the number which is repeated the maximum times is called the mode. If you have no questions in median, I am going to discuss the mode. We have 10 minutes remaining, so inshallah within the 10 minutes we will complete the mode. I think sir, onek easy. Thank you sir. Yes, understood both of the questions. Those are so much easy and fun to you. Thank you sir. No problem sir. Khaleda Akhtar said yes sir. And someone said, is the net problem? I think absolutely everything okay. Okay, my dear students, come back to the points mode, which is too much easy and one of the most favorite questions for the students. If we give these questions, find the mode. Mode is totally easy, just one line answer. The definition of mode is the number which is repeated maximum time. The number which is appears or repeated maximum times now give attention. You can practice the question number 19. So now give attention here. Number 20, mode. The definitions of mode. Already in the board you have said here, the number which is repeated maximum times is called mode. Like the given data 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 data are given here. And the requirement, which one is mode? Is it possible? Which one is mode? And now you have to arrange here in ascending order or descending order. Arrange the data and find the mode. Mode of the following data. So in ascending order, this one will be 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, 5, 5, then this one is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my dear students, mode. How many times? This number repeated 2 times. This number repeated 2 times. This number appeared 1 times. This 5 repeated here 3 times. This 7 in the single time. So which one is mode? This is the 5 is mode here. So you have to answer like this. Here 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 2 times, 4 appear 1 times, or 4 is single time, and the 5 repeated here 3 times, and 7 here 1 time. So 5 is the maximum times repeated. So answer is mode. Mode equal 5 because it's repeated 3 times, which is maximum. So let's practice from You textbook now. Okay, my dear students, mode. The question number 21. Who can do 21? Question number, the numerical values, the numerical values of some data are the numerical values of some data are 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 4 5 6 7 8 9. I think that which one find their mode. The required mode is 8. The 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12. 8 is appeared 2 times. I think they have done here mistake in the question number 21. Okay, 8 9 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 11 12 8 9 8 11 12 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 11 12. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just give example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, if you arrange the data in 9, the numerical value of data are in ascending order 2 times. 8 appears 2 times and rest number not appear more than 1 time. My dear students, is it ascending order or not? Okay, arranging above number in ascending order, we get 4 already, 5 6 7 8, another more 8 9 11 and 12. Here except except 8, all number appear, all number appear one time. Only 8 repeated 2 times, which is maximum times. So mode equal 8. Answer 8. So my dear students, I think is it clear to you? I can stop. Please my dear student, try to write properly and try to avoid doing the irrelevant comments. Sir, what's your problem? The girls why you are talking in the class? Please, my dear students, try to avoid irrelevant comments. Give attention in the class. Within a short time, we are going to leave our class. So basically, mode is too much easy, and you have to count each number individually, and you have to review how many times 4, 1 time, 5 single times or single time appear, or 6, 7. Just we see here 8, the repeated, the 9 single time, 11 single time, 12 single time. That's why answer will be maximum repeated times. In the mode definition, we said here the number which appear, the number which is repeated, or the number which appear in the maximum time is called mode. So here we see here 8 repeated 2 times, and all are numbers remaining 8. Outside the 8, they repeated 1 time. So that's why 8 is our answer. So my dear students, inshallah next class we will discuss the graphical presentation of numerical number. Inshallah in the today's class we have discussed how to find the median and mode. If you have any question, please do comments. Within a short time, so we will leave our class. So please do comments if you have any question. Sir, it will be 75 in 25. Yes, sir. My dear. So, my dear students, please do comments. Is it okay to you? Yes, no, no problems. Okay, sir. Mistakes, hello, bye bye, sir. Okay, just I am giving you another homework today. Okay, just giving you another homework. Just first question homework here. The marks of 15 students, the obtain marks of 10 students in mathematics of your class given below. 80, 85, 70, 75, 80 and 90, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 80, 7, 90 and the 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then finally this one 80, 80, 75, 90 and this one is 90, 80, 80. Okay, number A, find arithmetic mean. Number B, the first question find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Second question, find median. Number C, show that mode is 80. Median of above This question mark is 2. This question mark is 4. This question mark is 4. So I think all of you will get here 10 out of 10 inshallah. You can do this one as a homework. The obtained marks of 10 students in mathematics of your class given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the find their arithmetic means, so sum of the data divided by 10. Find the median of the above data. This mark is also 10, 4. So the mode is 80. That means 80 will be 80 is repeated the maximum times. So my dear students, I think you can take the screenshot of the questions. Thank you very much to enjoy my classes. Hopefully see with you again in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal.